How to fix Snapchat keeps crashing problem. To fix this issue, long press on the application and tap on the app info icon. Then simply scroll down to the storage section and tap on it. Now you'll see your cache. Tap on clear cache to remove any corrupted files. Simply head back one step and just beside uninstall you'll see force stop. Tap on it and tap on OK. Now close the application from the menu. Now simply check your connection is strong or not. Go to the navigation bar and turn on airplane mode on. Now wait for 10 to 15 seconds and turn it off to reset your internet connection. And after that, if your Wi-Fi is still too slow, switch back to your mobile data right over here. After that, try to update the application. Go to the Play Store and search through Snapchat. And if you see an update icon right over here, simply tap on it and update to the latest version. If it shows open, that means it is already updated to the latest version. For future use, tap on the three vertical dots and enable auto update by tapping on it. Then try opening the Snapchat application. If all of this doesn't fix, lastly try a clean reinstall. Tap on uninstall and after that, try installing the application again. And that should fix your problem. And that's it for this video guys. If you enjoyed the video, consider giving it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.